Good morning, year 6. This is your last pages on your book, in your learner's book. So please open your learner's book, page number 94 and 95. This is your the whole review of your chapter 5. Check your progress. Here is your warm-up activity. You have to write down the answer. What is a conductor and the insulators? You must write down the answer in your notebook and send it to me, that picture in your class Jojo, please. We done all our exercises like the 10 chapters. We complete our 9 lessons. In 9 lessons, we are talking about the circuits, the wire, the current, the symbols of the circuits, how we make the circuits, what is the difference in between cell and battery, what is the difference in between conductors and the insulators, and how we make the circuit. If we remove one thing, what happened, what is the changing in between the circuits, and what is the effects of these things in our circuit. So let's start your activity. Open your page, learner's book, page number 94. This is your question number 1, and we have 2 columns there. What is the current? What is the unit of the current? So right now they are giving in column A, they are writing the wording ampere, volt, multimeter, series circuit, circuit diagram, resistance, connectors, plugs, right? Amperes and volt, these are the units. One is a unit of the current and one is the unit of the, yes, this is a unit of current. Right? This is a unit of voltage. Okay, right now I give you one example, and the multimeter is the instrument which we use to find out the measuring the current, voltage and the resistance. So the series circuit, in which we use only one path in the whole circuit, for the current passing is current flowing, only the one path is there in which the current is flowing. The circuit diagram, in which they show the different symbols and you putting the different symbols and they are connected together. The resistance is when the current find out the restriction to flow in a current, this, right? The amount of restrictions to flow of electricity. What is a connector? Connector means to connect something. If the two things connected together, like the two wires, they are connected together, we use a connector for it. Plug means, what is the plug? In which the current is passing through and two things are there. The legs of the plug is made by the metal and the cover of the plug is made by the plastic. So you have to join all of them and then send it to me, my dear. Now question number 2, what is the difference between cell and battery? Cell have only the less power, that is 1.5 volt, but the battery means a mixture of 2 or more than 2 cells. It means their voltage range is more than it. So in battery, maybe it's 9 volt, 10 volt, 12 volt, but in cell we have only 1.5 volt, right? Electric conductor and electric insulator. Conductors are those in which the current, let the current passing through, but in insulator, not let the current passing through. Pure water are the water in which there is no impurities, but pure water and the distilled water, but the distilled water are those water which is steamed water, right? Now draw a circuit diagram. You have to draw, you can show the 4.5 volt. 4.5 volt means how much cell we required. Let me check now. Divided by 1.5. So it will be like 3 cells. Right? So in your circuit you need to draw the 3 cells, connecting wire, switch and 2 bulbs. Right? Means 3 cells, wires, switch and 2 bulbs. Draw the circuit and send it to me, please, my dear. Now we are talking about this paper in which they said, in which circuit A, B and C will the bulb not light up? Explain your answer also. Definitely here, I want to check first all the connections. Yeah, connection is right. Here the switch is closed, but here the switch is not closed. This is the wrong thing. It means in A, here is open switch. Switch is open. What you write? Switch open. Your answer is circuit A, right? Why? Because switch is open. This is your explanation and that's all. Now, question number 5. Explain why plug covers are made of plastic and electrical wires is made of copper. Why? Because plastic, for the safety we use, this is the insulator. It is not plastic, not let the electricity pass through. But the wires, why we use for the wires copper? Because the wire is only the way from where the current passing through, right? That's why we use metal here, right? And for plastic, why? For the insulation, that no current passing through it, and it is safe for us. Now, identify the 2 dangers in the use of the main electricity in the picture. Main electricity means which you found from your sockets, the house switch sockets there in your houses, and you experience that all the time. You can use these things and you use your appliances there. In a kitchen you use the electric kettle, the wire and all the things, the sink, everything is there. But now in a main electricity, in a main electricity, the range of the main electricity is about to be 100, more than 100 volt, or you said this, more 100 volt till 240 volt. And every country have their own criteria. In Qatar it is fixed. It is coming 230 volt, the fix. And I don't know what is in your country, but right now you can just go through with it. So it means this is too much current, right? Too much current. If you got this current, it means it has a bad shock. So you have to identify which one is wrong here. Here they give a close picture of the switch and the wire. So number 1, this. The switch is closed, right? It means it's open. It's open now. This is very bad. The switch is open means there is still electricity passing through the circuit. So number 1 is this. Number 2, here is a bare wire, which is really dangerous. The bare wire means it's not covered, here is a leaking. If someone touch it, definitely they got very bad shock. Number 3, this is near to the water. All the things, they are near to the water, which is also very bad. So if, like me, if I'm working in a kitchen, you know, we always use a sink. Sometimes our hands are wet. So if someone touching these things, that wire with a wet hand, then it will got really bad shock. So this is all, my dear. You have to solve these questions and you will get the answer in the next slide. So you must check all these things and then send it to me in Class Dojo. But first you tally your answer with these things. Your answer is the next slide. So you must check these answers and send it to me in Class Dojo. Thank you so much, my dear.